So I'm Paige, I'm part of our outreach delivery team and I've been with Learn by Design for about 4 years now. I am our SEND trained member of staff, so I enjoy working with our students who've got those special educational needs. The Vernies are my favourite piece of kit that we take into schools because, like me, they are very good at following instructions, but sometimes they just like to have a little bit of a dance and do their own thing. So my favourite ever kind of memory that I've delivered with Learn actually happened quite recently, and on his way out of the classroom one of the students said, "This has been our best day ever." So I like that one. I think Learn's got the biggest impact with using all of this snazzy kit to help young people on their career related learning journey, so they can see actually this thing that I could do when I'm an adult can be fun. So robots is fun, all of this STEM stuff is fun, rather than it just being sat in a classroom writing things down.